Alright, what's up everyone? So in this video I'll be improving the strategy a little bit. So we'll do some minor adjustment, but everything stands. And to be honest, I just backtested this whole month. So from Monday 3 to today 31. The strategy works perfectly. But the only reason I'm still not able to get so I am getting funded a lot as you can see on the channel, but I'm not getting payouts. Why? Because like I keep thinking about the money and not following my rules and everything, which is just slowing my progress. Like I said, I just backtested this whole month. The setups are clear and easy, but for some reason, I don't know, I just keep thinking about the money and payouts that it's fucking me up. So from now on, I know what I'm doing wrong. It's either I fix it or I stay broke, you know? So yeah, one trade a day, you either I take a W or a L, that's it for the day. If I miss the setup and it doesn't pull back, I don't take it. I don't take another trade, I mean. It's basically just that. Like anyway, I know what I need to fix and that's basically just between me and me, so let's do a trade breakdown today. I did lose. Why did I lose? Um, I'll show you guys why. But with this minor improvement, from now on we should be chilling. And yeah, so let's start. So like always, we mark the session highs and low, like that. And on the and on the 4 hour, I didn't see any gaps, so this doesn't exist yet. 1 hour, I didn't see any gap. Now we can see this gaps, but we trade the 9 hour candle, so this doesn't exist yet. Okay, so like that. Then we go on the 5 minute news. We had no news today, and yeah, let's start. So the improvement for the strategy is, so it's the same thing, right? We we look for weak rejection so we can enter, right? Now, if we're below a session, we're not gonna take the trade. That's basically what it is. So I'll explain in details in a second. But basically, so right there we have no trade, no trade. Right there, 955, I seen this rejection, so right after I entered, right? But this led me to an L. And then why? So from backtesting and experience, once we're below the zone, we don't take it. So we take just in between. So everything in between here to here, we take, okay? So even if the trade, let's say we take a trade, let's say the candles were up there, right? Because it's above the sessions, we're not gonna take it. But everything in between, we take it, and gaps, we take it. So basically, I need to wait till the candles is above this so I can look for trades. So for example, this, okay? So what ended up happening, the the good trade is supposed to be this right there. So 10.5, we filled in Asia low, then rejected, and we can even consider the 4 hour gap. Now, like I said, this didn't exist yet, right? But because we're at because we didn't get a trade at the 9 hour candle, this becomes like that. Then we adjust it on the 5 minute like always. But anyway, it wouldn't matter. But because Asia session is like there. So two wick, we got the wick rejection. From there we enter. And not even 10 minutes later, we have our profit, okay? So that's the good trade. So here, I'll show you guys another example of this happening. So it was Friday the 21st. Friday the 21, right there. So session. So you get it, guys? We trade only what's in the middle of everything, not below or above. Yeah. Now, do we see any gaps? It's a bit tricky when backtesting for gaps, but I don't see any. Maybe this. Eight. Okay, yeah, this is one here. We go on the 5 minute. Okay, so same example. Trade here, we're not gonna take it. Look how the candle closed. Yes, we got rejection, but the body closed so close that we're not gonna take it. It's probably just the odd of the candle that closed like that. Now we see this closing below and and it has a nice wick, right? So from there, usually what I'll do is do the same thing, enter right there, right? By 9:15, which would have worked, but that's not how we trade anymore. Because it's safer to have, how can I say? We just play it safer, okay? So from back testing, everything below, we're not gonna take it. Even though this had a clean setup from 1 to 2, we're not gonna take it. What we're gonna take is this one right there. After we're back, 9:45, we confirm this line. 10:10, we're in. That's it. Then you wanna aim for more, you can aim for more, doesn't matter. And this way, we actually with the trend in a way. Let's say you want to aim for more on a Friday. You can't, because this is not the setup, but this was the setup. So anyway, basically everything below or above we're not gonna take. In between the zone we do. So yeah. That's basically it. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.